Yes, children, today we'll see notice writing. Notice, you would have read many notice put up in your school bulletin board. Now, what is notice? Notice is a written or printed news, announcement, or information. A notice may contain news or information about something that has happened or is likely to happen. It may be a formal announcement or a public importance or an advance warning meant for complaints and information. A notice can be about a meeting, an event, an excursion, a historical trip, a picnic, lost and found, change of name, address, uniform, timing, venue, etc. Children, you would have seen notice. When some people they are lost, you would have seen one small bit of notice pasted on the wall. Notice is nothing but giving information to the people on various things. This information could be on people change of name, change of address, or on any excursion or historical trips, tour, on a picnic or meeting, anything. It is nothing. Notice is nothing but giving information in short. That is only notice. You would have seen advertisement writing. What we do in advertisement, we give a small information that so and so new shop is open in so and so area. It might be a garment shop or a showroom, whatever it is. You give an information on that. The same way notice also. Notice is nothing but giving information on various things. That is only notice. Now, what is the purpose of notice, children? Notice are effective means of disseminating information related to different issues or occasion. They reach to large number of people in short time. Hence, a notice is written in simple and formal language. One thing you must remember, children, when you write notice, you must be sure to write in a simple language. It should be understandable to the people. It should reach what you say to them. What you wanting to know them. It should reach people. You would have seen notice in a school, college, notice board, even in newspaper, magazines also. You'd have seen people giving the change of address or change of names. In public notice board also you would have seen some notice on exams, various exams. You would have seen. Now see here, you see one small box, notice, thank you for noticing this notice. You are noting it has been noted. One small box it is given. It is not notice, children. He is just showing you a sample. Here I tell you how to write notice, children. See, you have certain tips to write notice. Okay. Now these tips you should follow. When you write notice, you should follow these tips. First is, it should be in an enclosed in a box. You should make a box, a rectangle or a square box, otherwise. Then do not exceed 50 words. Whatever you wish to say, children, it should be up to 50 words. When you go more than 50 words, the matter becomes clumsy, where people they do not understand what you really wanting them to say. So let your matter be brief. Then include details of events program. Now whatever you want to say them, you must give them correct detail of it, or the correct event, or you are giving notice on any program, the entire information of the program, it should be there. Then avoid pronouns. You should not use pronouns in your notice, and let your notice be in passive form. Now you would have acquired some tips on notice, children. See here, notice is given in your page number 18. If you see your textbook, page number 18, a notice is given. This notice, it is about on workshop on prissy writing. Now a notice, see, you will get a question like write a notice regarding workshop on precise writing. Now you should imagine that you are a head girl of the school or head boy of the school. You should imagine yourself like that and then prepare a notice. When you prepare a notice, no children, you must keep certain points in your mind. Now, how to write a notice? The name of the school or the institution must be prominent. It should be clear, legible. Now see, here the name of the institution is given. Okay, Government Higher Secondary School, Minjur, it is clearly mentioned. Now then, the name of the program for which the notice is drafted should be highlighted. Now what is the program over here? On what program you are making this notice? It is for workshop on precise writing. So you are making the program for precise writing. It is mentioned, that is also written clearly. And the date of drafting, see, I'll make it clear. See how it is given. Government Higher Secondary School, Minjur, the name of the institution is given, and what is the notice about? The notice is about workshop on precise writing. See, it is given in bold letters, clearly it is given. And apart from that, next, the date of drafting, the notice must be written on the top left right corner for the right corner of the box. Now date of drafting, now on which date you have made this notice, that particular date. Now this notice is written on 1st February 2018. It is highlighted. Now this drafting date, it could be either right hand side or left hand side, either wise you can write, children. Then you can start the notice by using expression. Now after writing all this, you will start writing the notice. Notice what is the information about, what are you really wanting to tell them. You will start writing. Now when you start writing the notice, you will start it in this way. See, this is to inform all the students. This is how you should start. If not, all the students are informed. You can start like that also. Now see here how they have started. This is to inform all the students. Of which class you are telling them? For 11th and 12th. That what you are telling them? You are telling them that a workshop on precise writing will be held at what timing? 9 a.m. when 2nd February 2018. Which day? It is on Friday. Where? Which place? Where's the venue? You must tell them the venue, no? So venue is in the school auditorium. It is mandatory for all the students. Mandatory in the sense compulsory. It is compulsory for all the students to attend the workshop. For any type of query, please contact the undersigner. Now undersign here what you will do. See, standard, you will write here. Standard 11th section you will write. Standard 11th or standard 12, whatever it is. You will write standard 11 A section or C section. Then Evangeline, if it is head girls, you will go on with head girls. Boys, you will go on with head boys. And underneath, after writing standard and section, you will sign. You will write either head girl or head boy. That's it. Now, you must include, you should be cautious when you make notice. You should be cautious to give details such as what, when, why, where, for whom is the program, date of registration, last date. This all you must make a note. Now this date of registration and last date, this all it could come in tourism. When you make notice on a historical tour or picnic, for this types of notice you will give the registration date all, because that is not mandatory. But here, since being mandatory, you cannot go on with date of registration all. And at the end, you must go for further information or for further details, contact, or you can write for further details, contact the undersigned person. And before you could complete the notice writing, children, you should once again check out to see if all the information given in the notice is exactly correct. Have a checkup once before you could end up the notice. Hope you understand this notice, children. Anyways, look out for this notice and try making some 2 or 3 more notice of your own. Check your book in page number 18. It is given very clearly, and apart from that, no, you have 2 more notice in your book, children. See, prepare a notice to be displayed on the notice board of your school for the students of class 11, informing them about the educational tour that has been arranged for them the next month. See, now when you are making a notice on educational tour, what you will do, the same way you will give no, your school name you will give. Here they have given notice board of your school for the students. You should not write your school name, children. Instead you can write Government Higher Secondary School Chennai, anything. Then instead of workshop of precis writing, what will you write? You will write educational tour. Then you will write the information as it is given. This is to inform all the students of class 11 about the educational tour that has been arranged for them the next month. And you can fix, even certain details are not given. Now when it comes to tourism, you can fix the amount, date, about the dress code, everything. No, you can go on to your own. Certain information, when it is not given in the question, children, you can write your own information. This depends according to the question you get. Now here they have not given, they have just given tourism on educational tour. Now no, it is for you to understand. When it is educational tour, which place, you can decide the place, and no, you can decide the date of leaving, and then the returning date, the amount, dress code, about food, everything. No, you can decide, and you can give information according to it. Yes, try doing it, children. Hope you understand it. Okay, do refer page number 18. You will understand better.